Well, hi everybody. This is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So you guys, I finally decided to go ahead and join the Cricut family. I got this for um, Black Friday. Was it Black Friday? Or was it? No, it was Cyber Monday. Sorry, you guys. So I've had this in my possession for a week already. So excited and nervous at the same time. I've basically did not think I was gonna ever go to this step. Um, yeah, I'm so used to die cutting and doing everything, but I wanted something to resize. Like I know some of the items you could resize. So I'm gonna have so much fun working with it. So when I opened it, of course, it came in this box right here, and then inside it comes with the original box. And I already unpackaged it, and here are all my packaging items. It did come nicely packaged. Here is my Cricut right here, and I chose the mint green because, of course, I am a green, love green. And then it comes with the package. Don't know where I put that at right now, but it comes with the mat. It comes with the power cord, and it comes with this. At first, I was like, "OMG." I don't have a computer. Well, I do have a laptop to hook it up in. I don't know if I want to do that. So little did I know that it is Bluetooth. So make sure whenever you connect your Cricut to a device, if you have Bluetooth, you could go ahead and connect the Bluetooth. When you open it, when you, let's say, when you get it, sorry, it's a little slow. This little foamy thing comes in here, and it's in there really really good. So make sure you take that out before you start using it. Make sure you use, turn on the power. And here I finally found the instructions. So you basically go by the steps. So these are the steps that it's gonna have you go through, and on the back of these steps it tells you what to do. Okay, so like I said, if you have Bluetooth, you could do a Bluetooth, and it does a setup, and it will give you a quick printout of what when you first start out. So of course I chose the California bear. Yes, because of course I'm from California, and of course the mascot in California is the bear. Anyway, so did cut that, and then it just says bookmark this page, and then just more information on how to get started. Now Cricut does offer classes. Here are some links. They do offer I think it's a one-on-one class, which is a Zoom class, and it just, somebody giving you instructions on how to use it, proper techniques and everything. So that is the instructions here. And I do want to say, I'm sorry, Tree. I'm still hoping to eventually go into the Brother Scan & Cut eventually. So when I purchased this, there's so many things that, oh my goodness, there's vinyl, and there's heat transfer vinyl, I believe it's called. This one came with this Cricut, but you have to buy your own separate ones. When you get it, it comes with this clear, what is it, like, kind of want to say protector. So every time you use it, you just make sure you pull this out and put it back on when you're done with your project. So that, from what I've been hearing, because I've been doing a little homework, it saves a little of your it saves your mat somehow. So I did have to buy the extra tools, and then let me see. As you guys could see, oh, good thing I noticed. I almost forgot this one. So you have to buy the tools aside. And sorry, you guys, I am trying to do this one-handed. I do apologize if I am moving a lot. I'm not used to recording one-handed anymore. So let me go ahead and show you the tools. Let me just take out my glasses and everything. That doesn't belong here. So like I said, I've been practicing. This pen comes along with the Cricut, and that is expired anyways. And here are the tools. These are the tools right here that it comes with, or you have to buy separately. I apologize. And these are some of the vinyls I ended up buying. So these are the tools. Now I just discovered that this has compartments in here, and this is where you put your tools. So anyways, for now, thank you so much for taking the time to watch with me. I know it's not a full unboxing, but it's just a little informative. I've been, you know, Googling and watching other YouTube, you know, creators that are Cricut creators, and a lot of their information is very useful. A lot of it's repeated, you know, just take your time. My sister also got one, so we've been kind of texting back and forth and, you know, trying to figure things out. But it's becoming a fun item to play with. And yeah, anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and hopefully if you are a Cricut owner, you have quick tips, hit me up on Instagram. Let me know, because I do need help still. There's a lot of information I'm still confused about, don't know how to do it. I probably see it on YouTube once I do my homework, and then I forget. So anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.